before COVID, FSI entities were early to embrace technologies. But with the impact of COVID, we have seen that the rules of engagements have changed, and thus the need to accelerate and enhance digital transformation. As more and more data centers are coming up in India, many customers are also now upgrading and transforming their legacy back office application to more innovative and agile-based cloud solutions here. They are moving their enterprise GL, the procure to pay processes, the expense management to the Oracle ERP cloud.
Last few years, I have seen there's an increased thrust from the government in terms of the digital penetration and digitization, and more important, they're basically promoting democratization of financial services in India. Fintech could potentially emerge as the most disruptive segment because online payment provide a likely entry point for other services, including insurance, investment, and remittances. There is a need now, otherwise, the financial services have a lot to lose at this point of time.
To become more responsive, you have to have leverage through digital technologies, and hence the stock market or the brokerage houses are switching to digital technologies in a big way. The whole idea is how to deliver to the client the journey which is transparent, secure, reliable. The best channels that you can have is, rather than a full service broking house, you have to have a digital channel interface. The communication between the client and the broking house becoming digital is the key word in serving such a large number of clients, from few lakh of clients to tens of millions of clients. You have to switch your mode of servicing from personal advisory to digital advisory.
I would say instant gratification of the product and service, I would say, is the second biggest thing that our customers are expecting. And to deliver both personalization experience and instant gratification, the usage of I would say data, ML and AI has become the need of the hour.
It's important to leverage the acceptance or leverage on the implementation of the technologies that are available. A large scale digital infrastructure that is kind of necessary now to go on to the next stage of growth, or the next stage of expectation that customers have from people like us.
The challenge in crypto today is probably in terms of how do one measure the transaction that has happened. How do one evaluate what happened as a transaction between two parties or between the two entities? Crypto is going to be here. Crypto will change the way people do the transaction. Crypto will become one of the alternative. We are hearing this news for the last 6-8 months. It's part of lot of corporate houses that they've started accepting crypto as one of the methodology for settlement as well, in terms of payment, transactions, in terms of barter system, in terms of it is being reflected as the currency as well.
Government is also moving a lot in that direction with account aggregator models and sahamatis, where customer is given a empowerment to how they want the enterprises to use data to offer them a very personalized product and services. Blockchain is which can make you which can bring all the ecosystem players at one place, and which you can use to create a lot of smart algorithms.
Data monetization plays a big role in our risk management systems, where we have to monitor risk per client, and which has to be completely on the fly. While he's trading, we have to monitor the risk that the trade is creating.
We have to move from government-based credibility system, that is our mindset which is now. I think we need to move to a asset backing financing model. I think that is why we are really looking at the complete decentralized finance. It's just a matter of time. We have to wait and watch how the regulations come into play and taxation law comes into play. Blockchain and crypto is going to be our future of money.
The regulation should be seen as an enabler rather than an inhibitor, because that really brings, while We as the party, financial institutions, we have to do a lot of work to adhere to them. But I think it brings a lot of transparency and trust in the system, and in turn ensures business growth.